Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of backup on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve backup on CapCut app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to CapCut. As you see here in this page of app info, you will enter to first stop. Then you can click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. You can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You can wait 3 seconds to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.